First, you put a cup of water in the pot on the stove. Then you get your packet of Jello, powdered Jello, and pour it in until it's all out of the package. Once you're done with that, you turn the stove on, and you start putting you put another packet in. It takes 2 packets, guys, and you put it on the stove. And you grab your whisk, and then you stir and stir until it looks like this. And when this is done, you dump it into a bowl, just like that. And you get the saran wrap. You saran wrap it. Keep saran wrapping it. Keep on putting it all over the bowl so it's covered, guys. And you put it in the fridge for 5 hours, and then you cut up some strawberries. Make them small. Make the strawberries small. Then you put some whipped cream inside the bowl, and then your strawberries. Put them in the bowl, and you start mixing, mix, and that's it, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share this to all your friends and family.